Now, we've been told that the bird is upstairs. We'll see. Hopefully it's not like a pterodactyl or something. Let's lead with the baseball bat. Here, birdie, birdie, birdie. Oh, I heard something. Oh, there he is. Son of a bitch. How the hell am I gonna get this guy out of here? All right. All right, that worked. Now, let's see if we can get him out. Come on, bud, let's go this way. Huh? You gonna let me just grab you? No, let's go this way. Come on, this way. Out the window. Out the window. Not in the bathroom. Oh, damn it. Come on. Come on, this way. Oh, I have to call it like a dog. Come on. Come on. Shit. All right, come on. Out the window. Ah! You're missing the window. Come on. Nothing like watching a fat guy chase a bird, huh? And of course, like all good real estate videos, somebody calls in between. Come on. Ah! Come on, out the window. Come on. Come on. I want you out as much as you want to be out. Come on. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Out. Come on, out, go. Yay! You're welcome. All right, good news is, got the bird out. Better news, didn't have to use my kid's wiffle ball bat to make it happen. And the best news is the bird did not crap all over the house, which is by far the most important news of the day. So, just a day in the life of a realtor.